Hey guys, welcome and welcome to Fidget Spinner making. Well, I don't know. Gonna try these just like that. Oh no, red one. This is the gold version, just like a ribbon. I'm using my pen right now. Now we are gonna look. It's those 475. Okay, when we stop it, you see the number of this, right? Look, 4,000. Okay, that's it. Hey guys, what are we gonna make? This is gonna be in part 5. Subscribe and like. Don't forget to share. Leave a like and subscribe. If I got 100, I'm gonna make 5,000 Fidget Spinner in here. Just like that. I'm using my pen right now. There we go. I love it. You see the number up there. Okay guys. If I get 100 likes, 100 likes, can we get 1,000 likes? And row 1, please. 1. No, row, please. Oh my god! Look, it's just like this triangle. Let us leave a comment below. This is the Gala version, by the way. Leave a comment below na anong paborito mong kulay dito sa 5 na to. Ako talaga blue kasi hindi ako itong pang lalaki. Just yeah. At saka po, ano po ang paborito niyong shake sa Fidget Spinner? Then I'll do. If I only get 50 or 60. Only. Oh my god, this doesn't fit. So yeah, I'm not lining that or M. I'm gonna make, like I said, take me a while. Wait for the. Okay guys, I'm done. Just only 50 seconds. Now let's start. There we go, 3,000. Now I'm gonna wait for 50. Okay guys, it's slowing down. Took me 10 minutes. Okay, that's enough. Now we are gonna try a little. Now the green. Leave a comment na anong paborito mong kulay. Masasabi ko pa lang yun, tinatanong ko lang. Pink, try natin. Shade na heart. Ito ang number 1. Ayoko pa. Wait lang po. Hey guys, this is the heart. Let's add some yellow wings, maybe. There we go. Let's add some nothing. Now let us circle it. This is number 1. Comment what is your like. This is number 1, 2, 3, or 5. There's no 5 yet. The only number 1. Okay, this is number 1. This is number 2. Yeah, guys, this is the smile face. I'll show you. Like that. This is the sad face because it's blue. And let's fit. Okay, we have been 4 minutes. That's so took so long. This is number 3. Guys, this is number 3, just like that. And number 4. Let's spin it. Okay, now the number 5. Final. So yeah guys, this is number 5. Subscribe. Subscribe please. I took your favorite color. Pink, blue, light blue, yellow, and green. There we go. Okay guys, screenshot right now what I am gonna do for the final. There are 6. I added that. Okay guys, this is the final. Love you guys. Thank you for subscribing and like. Now let us spin it. Okay, wait for me.